Hello there! Welcome to another day at J&J's Craftiness. I have a quite cool plane to talk about, and you'll see it flying in a few. This plane is called the ShrubSmacker. It's called that because it's based off of a Flite Test plane, and that's where I usually get my designs from, Flite Test. But the Flite Test plane that it's based off of is called a Bushwacker, and it's slightly redesigned and smaller, so it's called the ShrubSmacker because like shrub is a small bush. Yeah, you get it. My sister always tells me that if I explain it to you, it's not funny anymore. So I won't explain it to you. You can see this plane has ailerons here and here, but it also has these weird things. They're these weird floppy things. No, they're flaps. So you can see on the bottom, they go down. And what it does when they're down is that creates lift. When it's down, it makes the wing have more lift. So then the point of that is with more lift on the wing, you can take off in shorter time, and it also slows you down on landing. Because this plane is a STOL plane. It is a short takeoff and landing, STOL. So as you can see, this is my first scratch build with landing gear, so I'm pretty excited about that. I have some other short takeoff and landing planes, like the UMX Turbo Timber, but I'm really excited because this is my first scratch build short takeoff and landing plane. I also, like, you were supposed to take off the wing every time, and then take your battery, put it on the shelf in the plane, take off your wing, put the battery in, but then it was hard to do, and they marked where the center of gravity is, where the plane should balance. So with the battery here, well, it would go inside the plane. My fingers are on the CG, it doesn't balance, but then if the battery is up here, it balances. So what I did, so I made this little hatch. It wasn't supposed to be like this, it was supposed to be glued down, but I cut this out and redesigned it a bit so I could have this hatch. And then the battery just sits nicely in there. And you don't even notice it. As you may notice, I actually didn't use any paint. It's cool because I used tape for these stripes and tape on the fuselage too. You can see there's the blue and then the red stripe. I don't know why I did tape. It's just I wanted to test it out. Paint is good if you're doing like a big coat, like a base coat, but for stripes and like a few thicknesses of tape on the fuselage, the tape is pretty good for that. That's why I use tape. Here it is. I made it in flight. Drops down. Let's see how she taxis. She taxis already.
You alright, Jonas? You're pretty high.
I think it's third flight. I don't remember. It's nice and calm. I'm really hoping to try to do some tricks, and we'll see.
What about the gate?
I can say that on the intro.
Oh.
I did a flat spin yesterday or the day before. It wasn't filming, but I'll show you now.
See a flat spin. Nice.
Wait, let me go on high rates.
Okay, let's see if we can get it a little more flat.
Yeah.
It's so silent.
Nice, man. That's beautiful. That's called a flat spin. Cool. That worked out well, eh?